All right, sixth grade, week 3. And at this point, you may be in good shape. You may be getting by, or you may be overwhelmed, and it doesn't, it's okay. Because all these assignments you should have in your Khan Academy account. And if you click past, you'll see them. What you want to do is you want to make sure you get them all to 100%. But notice now we're going to slow down a little bit. We're going to do 3, 3, and then 2. So if you get these 3 to 100%, make sure to go back. Keep working on this stuff because it's important. And why do I say that? This quiz 2 covers these 2 assignments and these 2 assignments. Quiz 1 covers all 5 of these assignments, right? And then this part whole is going to be a little challenging. And then the next week is the unit test, which is everything. So let's go. Let's do this. We're going to do 2 assignments right now. And then you should be good to go. All right, so word problems. We all love those because this is how we actually use math in real life. This is a window into using math in real life. That's important. So let's read it. Bao can eat 12 chicken wings in 3 minutes. She eats the chicken wings at a constant rate. How many chicken wings can Bao eat in 12 minutes? Okay, so last week we looked at cross multiplication. So we're going to use that again. All right, and we're going to keep our units in the numerator the same and our units in the denominator the same. Very important to know what a unit is. Okay, so what is a unit? It's the word after the number. So our units are chicken wings. One of these numbers represents an amount of chicken wings. Better than our first week when it was like liver biscuits. And then what's the other unit? Minutes. All right, so we're going to let's put our chicken wings on top. Chicken wings on top. All right, so we got 12 chicken wings on top. And then how many chicken wings? That means we have X chicken wings on top in the other one. We don't know how many chicken wings, so we're going to call that X. But we know it's 12 minutes. So we're going to put that on the bottom of the unknown. And then 12 chicken wings is 3 minutes. So the 3 minutes. So now I have it all set up and I'm ready to cross multiply. So 12 times 12 is 144. And 3 times X is 3X. And what do we do now? We divide by the coefficient of X. Make sure you know that word coefficient. I don't really know what 144 divided by 3 is, and I don't want to do the cross or the division. So hang tight. It's 48. All right. 48. Let's put that in. That you have some confidence in Mr. Field. You see, it works. All right. So put those units in the numerator, units in the denominator, make sure the same. Cross multiply, and then divide, and you got it. All right. We want to do another one? A bike shop has 11 red bikes, 3 blue bikes, 4 orange bikes, and 12 silver bikes. Complete the ratio. For every 1 orange bike, there are 3. I don't know. All right. Let's just all calm down here. So we got 1 orange bike. So we're talking about orange bikes. So there's 4 orange bikes. All right, 4 orange bikes. So for every 1, so I'm going to go like that. 1. All right, so my units are orange bikes. I think I'm setting up an equivalent. Look at that equivalent ratio. All right, so I'm going to use my cross multiplication again. So great. There's 3. Oh, we don't know. 3 what? What color? Don't know. But we know that there are 3 blue bikes. There's 12 silver bikes. See, so I'm thinking it's silver. Maybe I don't even have to go to the cross multiplication. I can see 4/12. If I divide the 4 and the 12 by 4, it reduces to 1/3, which is what we see. Now, how did I know to use the 12? Well, I didn't say this out loud, but in my head, I was thinking, if I look at my other choices, so I have 12, 3, or 11. Those are what I could put right here to match up with my given orange. If I put 3, 4/3 is not going to be equal to 1/3. So that doesn't work. If I put 11, 4/11 is not 1/3. So that doesn't work. If I put, and I can't put 4 because I'm already talking about orange on top. So I put 12. And then I was like, hey, it's right. So the answer is silver. All right, so we're either cross multiplying, which I thought initially, but I didn't have to, or reducing the fraction. But in any case, you got the tools, you can do it, sort it out. All right, Burger Barn, understand equivalent ratios in the real world. Burger Barn makes a dipping sauce by mixing 4 spoonfuls of honey with 1 spoonful of mustard. Sandwich Town makes a dipping sauce by mixing 8 spoonfuls of honey with 2 spoonfuls of mustard. Which dipping sauce has a stronger flavor? So what we want to do is we want to look at Burger Barn, BB, and we want to say, okay, so we got the 4 spoonfuls of honey for 1 mustard, and then the Sandwich Town is 8 spoonfuls of honey for 2 spoonfuls of mustard. So whoever has a stronger mustard flavor. So actually, what I want to do is I want to put mustard on top so that I'm dividing, and then I'll know whichever number is bigger is going to be the one with more mustard, because mustard is on the top. So this one is 1/4, mustard is 1 to 4, and this one is 2 to 8. But what do we notice about 1 to 4th and 2 to 8? 2/8 is 1/4, right? Because we can just divide those numbers by 2 and we get 1/4. So what does that mean? That means that they taste the same. So that's what we want to do. We want to set up a ratio for each restaurant or whatever it is. And then we want to divide and figure out the numbers that we have, 2 to 3, and whichever one is greater, that's the one with the stronger taste or something like that. So make sure to put, like 2 examples from this assignment in the organizer, and then be a lot of good conversation. All right, go get them. Get those ratios, complete the assignments, and come to class with your questions and your notes from this video.